dear family, and welcome back to our channel In Love with the Truth with Neha Baveja. And today I'm gonna share one of the bestest, I would say, experience, one of the bestest change of mindset, one of the bestest skill acquired, I would say, that which most of us feel that no, we are not good enough in this, okay? But trust me on this, we all have this trait, we all have this skill since birth. Yes, that's true. Since birth, we have this trait. But for that, I would say that before I start with my, topic, I would really want, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe my channel. And if you have not pressed the bell icon, press the bell icon so that you can receive all the notifications and you can listen to all the videos on time. You need not to miss any of the videos. Yeah, background where I had not to talk to people. I had not to face any of the customers because being a CA आपको क्या करना होता है? आपको तो बैक एंड पे बैठ के काम करना होता है, एक्सेल शीट्स में काम करना होता है, PPTs में काम करना होता है. That's it. What all is required? Nothing else is required actually, right? But at the same time, the moment I thought of doing a business, I thought of starting a business. This was one scary thought which I had, but thankfully I was, open to change. Okay, so one of the skills which I understood or which I underrated, that was the selling skills. Okay, I used to think that I'm not good enough for sales. I'm not somebody who can do sales. I'm not somebody who can be and go all out and understand people, understand their challenges, understand their needs, and I will be the one who can figure out things for them, who can bring the solutions for them actually, right? So I had been that one person. Tell me one thing, that how many of you have thought, or how many of you really think that ways, that sales is not something which is my cup of tea. Break this myth, okay, by sharing my own thought process, my own experience in life. To be honest, sales is nothing but to have a conviction within your own self that yes, I'm fully convinced with this idea, okay? I'm fully convinced, with this whole thing, that yes, I can talk, I can walk, I can actually think about it. Always, heard this phrase that sales matlab sales अच्छा, एक sales अच्छा, एक इंसान सेल्स वही कर सकता है जो गंजे को भी कंघी बेचाए. So I don't know how many of you heard this dialogue, but since childhood I have heard this dialogue. That's the reason I thought कि किसी को बेवकूफ बनाने वाला बात होता है, या फिर किसी को it's just that कि किसी को बस धोखे से कुछ भी बेच देना. It's not that. Over a period of time, I realized that this is my conviction that I have to put it across. And there is a way to put it across. There are certain skills, there are certain ways wherein you can actually learn. Because understand, sales is also a skill. And to be honest, when you have that conviction, you don't even need to learn any skill. And you know why I said that it is since birth? Now tell me one thing. एक बच्चा जो बोल भी नहीं पाता है, okay? अब उसको भूख लग रही है, right? अब वो अपनी माँ को बोल नहीं पा रहा है, but वो रो के बता रहा है. Now tell me one thing, is it not sales? Just think about it. Is it not sales? अगर एक लड़का एक लड़की को पटाने जाता है और उसके पीछे पीछे जाता है, okay? एक बार जाता है, वो मना कर देती है, दूसरी बार जाता है, दूसरी बार मना कर देती है. If that person is really serious about that girl, he will not lose any of the chances to make sure that he gets a yes from that girl, isn't it? And there are few more people जो एक for the girls also it goes like that, okay? So don't take it otherwise, right? अगर एक लड़की ना बोलती है तो उनकी दुनिया नहीं उजड़ जाती, वो दूसरी लड़की के पास चले जाते, तीसरी के पास. That's how they know that they're gonna get a yes, okay? So two things what I got, that yes, I need to have conviction within my own self, okay? And the second is that, if there is a no, that doesn't mean it's a permanent no, it's just not yet. And okay, I just need to move on. That's it. I need to share my experience. I need to share what I feel. I need to share that where I see myself through this idea, through this concept. That's it. People just going through this. So there's a book by Simon that which says that everything starts with why. Okay, not everything starts with why actually, right? So over there he said that the golden principle is that all the companies know that what they do, all the companies knows that how they have to achieve that thing, but very few companies knows that why, what is their vision, why they are doing exactly what they are doing. It is even for the same individuals also, isn't it? So when I started my business, to be honest, I was really scared of sales. I was really scared because business is all about sales. Business is not all about sales, but that is one part of, that is one of the integral part of business, because without sales you will not get the profits, you will not generate the turnovers, right? So I was hell scared about getting into that, how I'm gonna talk to people, how I'm gonna discuss the things with people. But trust me, I was open for the things, and I was having 100% conviction that yes, what I'm seeking for, what I'm asking for, I can absolutely get from this business. And I'm ready to learn, I'm ready to put my time in, and things just started changing. It can happen. If it can happen with me, it can happen with you also. It can happen with anybody, right? Just have that belief in your own self, and don't be afraid of sales. Sales is the best part, it's one of the best things to do in the world actually, right? Because that's how you get to know, that's how you get to actually tell about yourself to people. This is such an amazing thing. I would say with this, I would like to close my video, and thank you so much guys for watching my video. I would say if you've really liked the content, please like the videos, leave the comment if you really want to leave any comment. And with this, I would say peace, babush.